Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with chapter 2, diversity and discrimination. Now, in the previous video, we saw that prejudice is our opinion that we form, whether it is good or bad, based on what our family and friends tell us about those communities. Okay, whether it is community, whether it is a group of people, whether it is a certain part of people, okay, whether it is, and we also saw the different types of prejudice. There was regional prejudice, religious prejudice, gender prejudice, and social prejudice. Okay, so these were prejudices that we saw yesterday. Today we are going to learn about something called stereotype. Now, what is stereotype? It is a fixed idea that we have about certain group of people. Okay, or you think that girls should behave in a certain manner, that is a stereotype. Boys should behave in a certain manner, that is a stereotype. Girls are expected to be well behaved, correct? So that is a stereotype. So these are opinions that we have. This is this fixed idea, rigid idea that we often have about certain groups based on from which region they come from, which race they come from, which religion they belong to, the gender, the social status, even professions. Like lawyers, we expect them to, the general stereotype is lawyers are usually lying. So that is how we have certain kinds of stereotypes. Stereotype about teachers: teachers should be well behaved and disciplined, that is a stereotype we have. Okay, so there are different kinds of stereotype all over the world, and that is what we are studying about right now. Okay, so what is the difference between stereotype and prejudice? Okay, prejudice is, it can be good or bad. Okay, and because of that we develop a good or a bad attitude towards this group of people that we have been taught about. Okay, and stereotype is a generalization of characteristics of that group. Okay, and it is very rigid, and we it affects our behavior towards those kind of people. Okay, we start becoming judgmental. Okay, now what are the different kinds of stereotypes which you must have heard of? Boys, a very typical one is boys are strong and they don't cry. Okay, that is one stereotype. Very often when you get hurt, it's and you must be crying out of pain, and people tell you very early in life, "Arey, don't cry, you are a boy, how you can cry? Girls cry." So that is again a stereotype. Why should it be boys don't cry and girls cry? Why should it be that way? Okay, and girls should learn to cook. Why? Because they are going to take care of the family. Okay, and girls like pink, boys like blue. Who said that? These are all stereotypes. Okay, these are just perceptions. These are just opinions that people base on the certain attitude of what they have seen outside. Okay, so that's a perception. Okay, why teach girls? Why send them to school? This is a stereotype again we have in our society. Why should we teach them? Because ultimately, what is the job of the girls? The girls have to take care of their families. So that is a stereotype. Who said that? Who said, why can't girls study and work and have a family? And why can't the boys help at home? Why can't the boys take care of the family? So this is a stereotype. Okay, so these are stereotypes. Girls should not study, girls should stay at home and take care of their family. So these are stereotypes. Okay, and what is a perception? Perception is where we look at something, and based on how they are looking in that moment, we just assume that that is how things are, whereas that is not true. Okay, now all these stereotypes cause us to behave in a negative manner. Okay, we behave badly towards certain sections of people whom we are prejudiced against. Okay, now we saw different kinds of prejudices, we saw different kinds of stereotypes. So it can be to anything. One basic prejudice in our country or anywhere across the world is on the basis of the color of our skin. Okay, it is assumed that if you are fair, you are pretty. Dark people are not pretty, or they do not look good. men who are fairer, they are handsome, and then they to get treated like that. So that is a prejudice, and when we have this prejudice, we start discriminating people. We discriminate people according to the because of the clothes they wear. Okay, because you are not dressing professionally, that means you must not be professional. Okay, we discriminate people because they do not look like us, they look different from us, they are from a different region, so we start discriminating them. Okay, so, or we start discriminating them on the basis of the caste. The higher caste always thinks that we are more important, so they are always given more importance than the people of the lower caste. And the lower caste usually has to do work which is very demeaning, which is pretty insulting. Okay, and they are forced to do it because that is what is expected from their caste. So these are discriminations which are all across our country and our world. Okay, it is not only in our country, it is also in all across our world. Now what happens because of these discriminations and because of this inequality? It causes inequality. We do not treat people equally, we do not treat women equally, we do not treat people from other communities equally. Okay, then there is also the workplace discrimination. We treat women badly at our workplaces, or even people from certain communities are not given opportunities to rise because they are from a certain community and we don't want them to grow. Okay, so these are certain discriminations which lead to further inequality in our lives, and these people are then sidelined and lose out on opportunities. Okay, many children are not allowed to go to school because of the caste or the community that they come from. So what happens? They lose out on opportunities to grow. Now people who are well to do and who are of the higher caste or the higher class means the people who are rich. Okay, they are given more opportunity and they can live better lives. Okay, so this discrimination leads to inequality, because without education, can you have a better life? No. So then that is why discrimination causes inequality, and we all need to be more careful about our behavior. We're going to stop here and we will then continue with this chapter in the next video. Please go through these videos again. Please try to understand what these videos are trying to tell you and get the concepts clear. Now I also am getting requests about notes. We do not need notes right now. The only study material that you read right now need is the videos. We are not going to write any question or answers either. Okay, so please do not worry about how are we going to write question answers. We are not going to write them just now. Please just go through the videos, understand the concepts, and be ready for the next video. All right, thank you, have a nice day.